Yo, look, there's a worm. I was gonna make a video. No, I'm gonna let it live. I'm gonna let it live. Another day, another life.
Who told you to do it? The demon.
I love my animals. I really do. That thing is still alive. What's not? Listen to the nature sounds. I am a hunter. I love animals. Okay, I'm gonna miss you. I would never hurt any type of animal. Never. My case is messed up. Well, I guess the wind thought I was lying. I'm telling the truth. I love my animals. I've never killed an animal. I've never abused an animal. I even have an animal in my house. So hello. Let me show y'all a tip on oak trees. Okay, so if you don't know what this is made out of, it's made out of wood. If you don't know what color this is, it's
Unattractive, over.
y'all, I see an ant on this tree, but I'm gonna let it get on the stick so I can help it. Come on here, ant. That's all that's left from the stick. You know what would be good right now? An iPhone 8 fake photo shoot. Hold on, let me do it for a second. I'm trying to put the case on the phone because this is my other phone. I ain't trying to break it. Then I got two phones right here. So, oh my god, this pollen is getting onto my phone. Oh no. Okay, let me go edit this clip and I'm gonna come back in the house.